Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be making a phone design. So basically what you need, I'm just going to go ahead and just find my phone design real quick on here. Like I need the pixel sizes for my phone. So what I'm going to do, let's go to output and I'm going to type in my phone size. And then I'll do 3080 on the other side, 3088 just on this side. Okay, so this should be the size for my phone. So what I'm going to do, press 1. So we got the side view. We're going to go view, align view, align active camera to view. You're going to take the default cube right here, scale this up, and this is a great design, by the way, for people who've got movable wallpapers. You know the wallpapers where you move your phone and it kind of does this thing with the picture where it goes like this. So this is really great for that. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go to edit mode. What you want to do is take off this front face right here. So we're going to go delete faces. So now we've got this back face right here. We want to go G. And if you can, through this setting, you want to go backwards. Let's just come out of that a minute. Let's go G. Move this back. I'm just going to go ahead and split the atom right here. So this side we can view the camera. Okay, so this is going to be kind of like a little room. So we're going to press G, move this up, kind of thing. And what I'm going to do, let's make this box red. Where are we at? Yeah, okay, so let's make this box red. So we've got that right there. What I'm going to do, let's go to edit mode. This base right here, I'm going to go plus at the side. We're going to go new. This will be new material. Don't forget to click assign. And what I'm going to do is maybe make this kind of like a dark red kind of thing. Come back to object mode. Go to shading tab. And we're just going to add a couple of textures onto these walls so it makes it look a little bit more 3D. So we've got this right here. We're going to go add texture, and you want to go noise texture into this one right here, and you'll notice that it changes from the nice deep red that we had to kind of like this kind of spottiness. So we're going to go add. Let's go with color ramp. Oops, what's going on there? Let's go add color ramp right in the middle right here. You want to basically put the black towards the white and then maybe a red in the middle just to make that tone back. Just as such. Maybe a little less black, but certainly just bring the red in with the white as well. So as well you want to go add and bump. So we're going to do bump texture. Color to height, so you've got that nice little fluffiness. Want to rough that up a little bit. Keep your metallic down. And then you can kind of like just lower your IOR as well. For the walls themselves, what we can do is we can go add. And we can do texture. You want to go down to the actual walls themselves, the texture that you need. So go to your material. Go to the wall material that you have right here. We'll name this wall. Let's go to add. And then I'm going to do texture of Veroni. Just in there like that. Scale that up a bit. I'm going to take down the random as well, so it's kind of squared. And then we'll add color ramp. Kind of thing. We'll go plus. We just have a little bit of red in there as well. And then we will add a bump. Bump texture in there. Onto the height. That should load in at the moment. Or we could put this to distance. Got the strength as well, or just leave it as normal, it's up to you. So we have this now, and if we go to layout, this is what it should look like. I'm going to go ahead and just tone down the shine on that by moving up the roughness as well. And this is kind of like, I think it's a bit of a weird project, but it's just kind of something that I was like, you know what, it'd look really good for Halloween, this. So let's get rid of this light right here. We'll go, you know what, I'm going to put the light back. I'll put the light back, hold on. Let's press G, and I'm going to put the light just in front of the camera so you guys can kind of see into the room. So when we render it, it should look something like this. And we can pull the lighting up a little bit. Maybe just move it inwards. Just kind of have that weird kind of games kind of theme going on. And I think that's it for the tutorial. I don't know, I kind of had an idea for this, and it was kind of like, I don't know. I don't quite like it, but if you guys like it for a phone background, I mean, like, you know, each to their own. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.